What's up, guys? It's January 16th, 2011. It's been about 3 weeks since I've uploaded a video about my arrowheads. I went out to my farm today, did a little bit of excavating. I found this a couple weeks ago. I didn't get it on video because it was dark out, pretty much dark out. It's a cool little base. I have no idea what it could have been. Maybe a blunt, who knows. But it's been worked to be round up here. Could have been an arrowhead at one time and broke. There's no telling. It's got like a little barb right here. Could have been like a punch or something. It's pretty cool. Did a little bit of digging today. Some flint. About 6 or 7 inches down. Don't know if that's supposed to tell me anything. I know you guys say if you're gonna dig, you might look for flint. Looks more like a rock. Just some signs. You guys tell me if it's worth looking in more. Just go somewhere else. Up here, about a week ago, my dad tells me that they're doing some bridge work by my house, and his friends own some property right next to the bridge, and they had dug out some of the, like graded out some of the land for like a path for tractors and stuff, and they pretty much unearthed all these artifacts. No one really looked for anything. There was just flint everywhere over there, and I picked this stuff up. These were all on the surface. It's way too hard to dig. It's like trying to pick through rocks because the dirt's so hard and frozen. It's like a base to something. This black stuff, it's coal, not charcoal. I don't think it's charcoal. I definitely think this is coal. Big piece right here. See the layers? That's more coal than charcoal. But I was picking out pieces that were 12 feet underground along the bank of a river. And this stuff was just getting popped out of there. This was found maybe 3 feet from the street level. Really cool. It's made of pinks, purples, blues, and greens. A little bit of green right in here. Really cool. Would have been a nice blade. I've also have some other projects. That's all I've found for these past couple weeks, but I've also been building my own computer. Got a graphics card right here. 500 gig hard drive. I got the case to the computer, see-through. Got a gaming keyboard. This thing comes off. It's a magnetic. You can switch sides to the other side. Wireless adapter. Some speakers. That's about it. I got $500 to spend to get what else I need. Well, that's about it, guys. See you later.